My name is Sven Koppe and I present joint work with Rico Klingenberg and Benjamin Warnke. All are with the University of Lübeck. We demonstrate the sonification of a semantic web database engine, which we call Sound of Databases. Sonification is typically defined as the use of non-speech audio to convey information for the purposes of facilitating communication or interpretation. Sonification can help not only humans with visual impairments, but also help to reduce barriers for people with poor education. Audio can present multidimensional data in an easy-to-understand way, so that the most important aspects of the data and its processing can also be understood by people without science education. An additional medium also helps pupils and students with learning new information. For our proposed sonification of query processing, we need to know how to map one step of query processing to auditory dimensions like pitch, loudness, duration, and the chosen instrument. For this mapping, the following information provides quantitative numbers during query processing: the integer ID representations of the values in intermediate solutions, the IDs of the operators, the defs in the operator tree of the query execution plan, or their types having the intermediate solutions as input or output, and the temporal aspect, i.e. an integer representing the query processing progress. While the mapping to the auditory dimensions can be configured in a very flexible way, encouraging creativity and the discovery of unusual sound melodies and effects, according to our experience, the most useful one for understanding the operator algorithm, or at least for recognizing characteristics of its in and output, seems to be a mapping from the intermediate solution values to the pitch and the operators, between which the intermediate solutions is exchanged, determines the used instrument, such that operators can be easily distinguished from the other. The demonstration system is really available via web page. The link is given in the paper. Our demo web page contains many sonification examples as video and links to start the demo system with the example query data and sonification mapping. Let's start the sonification demonstration. You can select some predefined queries, but also edit the query freely as well as the data. By clicking on the Evaluate button, the query is executed. You see the results on the right, but also the sonification graph tab. By clicking on the sound symbol, you can configure the sonification mapping. We choose the data sorting presetting, where the integer ID representation of the values of intermediate solutions determine the pitch. Let's sonify. You hear an ascending scale. We learn that semantic web data is often stored in indices, the output of which is pre-sorted in order to maximize the usage of fast merge orders. Now listen and guess, what kind of relational operator do you hear? It is the select, or sometimes called filter operator, where not all intermediate results are passing the filter operator, such that only some intermediate results are repeated with the electric bass. More examples are given on the demo web page. At last, listen to some inspiring sound.